What HVAC system information should I write down for future repairs? Write down the system's brand, model number, serial number, installation date, fuel type, filter size, maintenance history, and any repair details. Start by photographing the labels on the indoor unit, outdoor unit, furnace, boiler, heat pump, or air handler, because the model and serial numbers can be hard to copy correctly. Write down the equipment brand and the exact model number, since different versions of the same product may use different parts. Record the serial number because it can help confirm the system's age, warranty, and manufacturing date. Note whether the system uses electricity, natural gas, propane, oil, or another fuel. Measure or confirm the air filter size and write down how often it should be replaced. Record the installation date, the company that installed it, and the name of any contractor who has serviced it. For each repair, write the date, the problem, the part replaced, the amount paid, and any advice the technician gave you. Also note unusual sounds, odors, weak airflow, uneven temperatures, or changes in energy use, because these clues can help a technician find the problem faster. A detail many homeowners miss is the refrigerant type, which may be listed on the outdoor unit and matters when an air conditioner or heat pump needs service. A common mistake is writing down only the brand and forgetting the full model and serial numbers, so photograph every equipment label and save the pictures in a clearly named folder. Another mistake is assuming the filter size is universal, but return vents and equipment can use different sizes, so check the printed dimensions before buying replacements. Some people record that a repair happened but not which part was installed, so keep invoices and ask the contractor to identify the part and warranty period. Never remove sealed panels or handle gas lines, electrical wiring, or refrigerant equipment just to find information. Take pictures from a safe position and let a licensed professional inspect anything dangerous. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.